Andarki namaskaram. Thank you for cheering. నాకు ఎంత కష్టంగా ఉందంటే ఎస్పెషలీ లైక్ ఆల్ దీస్ ఎమినెంట్ పీపుల్ ఆన్ ద డైస్ అండ్ ఆఫ్టర్ దే టాక్ దే గివ్ మీ ద మైక్ టు టాక్. ఐ థింక్ సీరియస్లీ ఐ హావ్ నథింగ్ లెఫ్ట్ టు జస్ట్ సే థ్యాంక్ యూ. కానీ కూడా with due respect, and I feel absolutely honored to be a part of this team, and of course the very well known and renowned Rameshwar Uncle Garu, I would say, then Surender Uncle Garu, Yashoda, they don't need an introduction, but still, and of course the Kiran Garu, Inadu, our very good friend Ravi Verma Garu, and of course Rajnikant Garu, and everyone, and the entire group, the way they have organized this event, absolutely hats off to the entire organizing team. And of course the students out here, my students, MNR students, everyone out here. I think this is the reason this event we need to attend, we need to understand. We all go to multiple events in the city. We never miss a movie event or a Bollywood event or a Tollywood. That's the reason I think they also invited Chiranjeevi Garu. But yes, we all are fan of Chiranjeevi Garu, and he will also support this. And we miss him on the stage today. But anyways, the fact is that oral cancer awareness run was necessary to make the people understand that this oral cancer is the most common and the most preventable cancer ever found in the body. So that is what is important. We all know there are different kinds of cancers, but this is the one which is preventable, and that's we have to understand, and that awareness is important. We all say, like, you know, meer andaru maatladtaru kabatti nenu mottham prepare ga vachanu, so please sir, let me go ahead. But most importantly, I would say that it is a moment of pride to stand before you, not just as a vice chairman of Mallareddy Vishwavidyapeeth, but also as a daughter-in-law of Mallareddy Garu. సో పాలమ్మిన పూలమ్మిన డైలాగ్ నేను చెప్పలేను, కానీ చెప్పేటోళ్ళు చెప్తారేమో. సో that it's patent to my father-in-law itself, so I can't even dare to say that. But I would see ఏంటి పూలమ్మిన కష్టపడ్డ చెప్తే మొత్తం డైలాగ్ చెప్పాలి. Anyways, so I feel mouth is the mirror of the body. Okay, so I think whatever we eat, it affects us. It is absorbed by us. So whether it is any kind of drug abuse, whether it is addiction to alcohol or smoking or tobacco, we all know this, we all seen this, but how many of you actually do it is the question. We all know that this is good, this is bad, but yes, as most of the people told, that we have to control our addiction. That is the challenge. And as I tell you, that mouth is the mirror of the body. That's the most important part to be taken care. So whatever you put in, if you neglect whatever you're eating, that will create a pain inside your body. Remember that. So yes, as we all know, the reason why we are here, we want all the students to understand this. And most importantly, when it comes to Mallareddy Vishwavidyapeeth, sir, I would like to take a moment, because about Mallareddy Vishwavidyapeeth, which is we recently got 6 months back, this is a deemed university. This is the only campus where you have education, technology and healthcare system all in one umbrella, in one roof, which is the rarest of the combination. And here we think about health meets technology. The reason I speak about this, because of oral cancer needs a lot of detection. The diagnosis, the pre-diagnosis is important. We need to do a lot of investigations, and technology can help us for early detection. So yes, this is the place where Mallareddy Vishwavidyapeeth, we are known to consider or concentrate on AI in healthcare. Sir, we have recently started a school of digital health sciences in our campus, which is unique and one of its kind in the entire country. So that's the way we are. Thank you so much. And yes, of course, thanks to the entire team of Mallareddy Vishwavidyapeeth, and thank you the organizing team for inviting me and making a part of this amazing group. Thank you so much.